once we decided to return the articles of impeachment to the House, am I correct to assume that technically we don't have the jurisdiction of these articles of impeachment already because we returned it? So, bakit pa natin magpapatuloy tayo sa pagbigay ng subpoena sa respondent kung binalik natin? Siguro kung mabalik na yun sa atin, saka pa tayo magpapatawag ng mag-issue ng summons. Kasi, technically, wala tayong jurisdiction ngayon sa articles of impeachment dahil binalik natin sa kanila ang articles of impeachment. So, wala sa atin. So, ano ngayon ang magiging basis? Like, for example, magpadala tayo ng subpoena kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Anong attachment ilagay natin sa subpoena? Articles of impeachment should be attached to the subpoena. So, anong personality natin to attach na subpoena na ang subpoena ay binalik natin sa House? So, technically, we don't have jurisdiction over the articles of impeachment. That's my humble understanding. Again, I am not a lawyer, Mr. President.
Senator...
Nag-iisip lang. I'm just guided by the Holy Spirit, Mr. President. To be honest, Holy Spirit is guiding me all the time. Thank you, Mr. President.